So Dylan, what are we doing?
We're measuring and marking out, laying out our pattern here. We've got to drill down about 23 feet from where we're currently at. We're going to do a dice pattern here, so we're going to pour our grout in every other hole along the perimeter. And then as we come in here, we're going to pour these four. Leave the center back really. So the plan is hopefully it should all fracture this way along the perimeter. And hopefully get some nice fracture in, go to the center void and out. Bust it out some hopefully big triangles.
All right, now we're going to pour our first hole down in the trench. Let's split this rock. You can see the cracks that formed. We split a lot of rock with the expanding grout. So, success. We're going to get the breaker in here. And we're going to start breaking some rock and use the excavator to pull it out. We just got another drill on site. We're going to get this in position and start drilling.